Alright, I'm going to run out to Modern Motorsports here in Ripon. Go see a guy named Jim. He's the local small engine guy, really. Scooters and marine and whatnot. I hope he has a flywheel puller I can borrow. So I'm going to do that on the Vespa. So the Vespa's been running pretty good. I haven't put a lot of miles on it. But I'm going to take this opportunity to mount my new GoPro onto my helmet and take you along for a ride on the Vespa. Enjoy! Alright, let's fire this thing up. Pull the choke out, turn the key on, make sure she's in neutral. Give her a kick. Alright. Has not been started in 10 days or so. So I'm going to run to the parts store for Modern Motor. See how that goes. Alright, I have no idea if you can hear me. I don't have a special microphone. Here. So, I think we'll all agree that the audio on that last run was horrible. So, I have a new mic. I'm going to give this a try. Alright, let's get her in first gear. Let's go for a ride. Whew. Beautiful day out here in Ripon, Wisconsin. I hope the wind noise is a minimum. I hope you can actually hear the Vespa running through the gears here. Alright, I do get a little bit of wind noise through my visor, and I am just experimenting with the microphone placement. I hope you can see the speedometer. It says I'm doing 25 miles an hour. I'm probably doing 28, 29. So, beautiful day out today, like 84 degrees. Mostly sunny day. Calling for scattered rain showers. Oh yeah, we have a car show in Ripon today, so we might see some interesting cars. Cruises along at 35 miles an hour pretty nicely. It shifts pretty good. The front brake is mildly useful. I have to say it takes a little bit of getting used to driving a Vespa with all the controls and the fact that I constantly leave my directionals on, which is very irritating to everybody involved. It's because this light here is burnt out. Open the sucker up a little bit. Third gear, 45 miles an hour. Fourth gear, I still have some pull left. Ooh, a little breezy out today. Yeehaw! So I'm trying to decide how much more money I want to spend on the Vespa. Kind of leaning towards some new tires. I just don't like the way these feel on the road. So, oh, we're gonna keep turning right here. Telling you, I always forget that damn turn signal. Yikes. Hey, I turned it off this time. See, it seems to level out. That would be 55 on my gauge. $57. Going down a little bit of a hill here. Yeehaw! Give it to me, baby. Back off the throttle, get a little more acceleration. Watch out for the Corvette. Alright, I'm going to guesstimate that was a butt-clenching 62, 63 miles an hour, which I'm pleased with. You know, I'm still trying to break in this engine a little bit. I've only put on about 30 miles on it. So maybe she'll smooth out a little bit, just let her run. I am running less pre-mix gas in the oil, I'm running less oil pre-mix in the gas tank, and trusting the oil pumping system all do their jobs. Alright. So the engine doesn't seem to want to wind up as high as I think it should, but I'm not going to press it right now because I am still braking in this engine. I guess I don't need to be doing 8,000 RPM right now. Alright, hopefully this all recorded okay. I don't know if I had enough memory space on the card. There's a fresh battery, a new microphone. Get my fingers crossed. I mean, I wouldn't mind doing a few more motorcycle rides. Talk about stuff that I see around town. Might be interesting. Thinking about doing like a scooter ride through small towns. Pick a gear, Joe. You know, just do a back road scooter ride through towns, small towns. Talk about their life in their little town. Alright, I am happy. That was awesome. Now, if it all got caught on camera, it would be even better. So that's all I got for you today. Short video. Just a bonus video for you guys. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Are you done? Knock the shit off, honey.